If there is one technology that revolutionized the kitchen, bringing more speed and ease to the processes, it was certainly the blender. Thinking about saving your time and simplifying your choices well, in this video we've selected the best-selling blenders, the ones of the highest quality, and also a popular pick. In order to help you make a safe and quick purchase, we left the link of the products below on the description of the video. Also, if you want to guarantee the discount or that the product will not sell out, just add it to the cart and you can safely buy it later. That being said, let's get to the video. Let's start out with the best-selling blender on the market today. If you need a simple and effective blender, Hamilton Beach Power Elite counts with 40 ounces of capacity and 700 power watts. It has 12 functions controlled by 5 simple buttons, making easy to blend smoothies, milkshakes, purees, dices, chops, and more. It counts with convenient pour spout that eliminates messy trips. The jar, lid, and removable blades on the blender are all dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Its strengths are powerful blending, glass container, easy to clean. Weaknesses are a little bit noisy. It's rated 4.5 out of 5 stars. Our second pick is also the second best-selling blender on the market. If you're in search of something more elaborate, Ninja BL642 Professional Blender counts with 72 ounces of capacity and 1000 power watts. It has high, medium, and low levels besides pulse option. And its total crushing technology is perfect for blending ice, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. It's also dishwasher safe. Its strengths are very powerful, large capacity, easy to use, and versatile. Weaknesses: it's also a little bit loud. It's rated 4.7 out of 5 stars. For our third pick, we brought you the best cost-benefit blender on the market, and it's also a popular pick. Black+Decker PowerCrush Blender counts with the capacity of 48 ounces and 700 power watts. From smooth blending to powerful ice crushing, the 4-speed functions, low, high, low pulse, and high pulse, can handle any job with ease. Its jar, blade, and lid are removable and dishwasher safe. It has a 4-tip stainless steel blade that works with the shape of the jar, leading to a faster performance. Its strengths are great blade technology, powerful, fast, easy to clean, and compact. Weaknesses are, it heats if you use heavier foods. It's rated 4.4 out of 5 stars. Entering now the best blenders we have in the market, our fourth pick is the second best rated blender nowadays. Ninja BL741 Professional Plus Blender counts with 72 ounces of capacity and 1400 watts. It has high, medium, and low levels of power and 3 preset Auto IQ programs that allow you to blend smoothies, frozen drinks, ice cream, and soups and sauces. The dishwasher-safe blender blades and pitcher makes cleanup very easy. Its strengths are very powerful, versatile, intuitive use, easy to clean. Weaknesses: it's also a bit loud. It's rated 4.7 out of 5 stars. Our last pick is the best rated blender in the market today. Ninja BL642 Duo counts with 72 ounces of capacity and 1200 power watts. It comes with 3 single-serve cups, 18, 24, and 32 ounces that come with spout lids to make it easy to take smoothies on the go. It has Auto IQ pre-programmed buttons that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do all the work for you. They are used for puree, smoothies, frozen drinks, and other functions. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Its strengths are Auto IQ pre-programmed buttons. It comes with 3 single-serve cups, super easy to clean. We couldn't find any weaknesses about this product. It's the best rated on the market. It's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars. With this last product, we finish our 5 best blenders pick. Hope it's been useful for you. For more details and purchase, the links for all these products are in the description of the video. Add to the cart if you want to keep the discount or guarantee it if it sells out. Don't forget please to like and subscribe to help us keep bringing more reviews. Until next time, see you.